Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm here to do my savings challenges, and if my memory serves me right, I'm sure I'm a week behind. I'm sure I did check it, but I'm hoping to do a quick catch up along the way before the end of January, which is only a few more days. But I'm going to start with my savings challenge binder that I've been doing from last year. This one is the 3 months challenge, the Sagittarius, the luck of the draw, the roll the dice 1, and roll the dice double the savings challenge 2. I've got some leftover from last week as well. I think I will take this out and put it to one side while I'm here. I'm glad I went through the binder with you because I would have forgotten it. Memory's terrible. There's £15 here. That's a total of 20. Just leave that there for now, just in case I might need it. It's like a little emergency backup for me. What I do is, once all the bills are paid, shopping, groceries and everything has been purchased, I usually just take what's left over and put it to savings challenges. Sometimes it's between £140 to £200, just depending on what I can cut back on, such as groceries, subscriptions, even the utility. Sometimes that's how I get to do my savings challenges. It doesn't matter how much or how little or how big you've got to save. If you've got it, save it. I don't spend it unnecessarily. I tend to save it, and it's more fun saving in the binders and having your little wallets and everything, and your little savings challenges, that you can have some fun along the way. It does good for the mental health. It really does. Today I have 140. That's £140 I've got to stuff today, and let's get started. For the 3 months challenge, I'm going to half the boxes. I'm on the last £30 box. I halved it last week for 15, so I'm going to put 15 in this week. The other three, the following three, are £45, and I'm going to half that as well. And the remaining 3 boxes are £60. I'm going to half that as well. It makes my life much more easier when I can do it like that, because sometimes I just can't afford to put all of it in. And the good thing about these savings challenges, you can tweak them, you can do, you know, whatever you want with them. You can improvise and set it to what suits your budget and what you can afford. I'll put 15 in. Got the Sagittarius challenge that I'm using for the European cruise. Let's see now. I usually put £10 in, and that's what I will do today. I'll use the purple today, and I'm going to do a G. The purple looks nice alongside the pink. That's £10 then. So I put 2 5s. I'll put 2 5s. Then we've got Luck of the Draw, where I use a deck of cards to play this one. Queen of Clubs, that's a nice high number. Let's have a look. Below £5 is £5, above £5 is 10, the ace is 15, king, queen, jack is 20. The queen is £20. There you go. And I'll just mark off a clubs. I think I had a clubs last week as well. I did, yeah. We've got spades. Spades with a club. We're getting there. Not bad. Haven't had a heart in a while. Still got lots of hearts. I'll put that card away. I usually put it in the pouch because I don't use it again. Let's go back in there. And now we have the roll the dice. I love to roll the dice. I'll just get the colours out, little ready, orange and green. My theme for this one is orange and green. I'll just roll the dice. That's 5 and 3. Let's have a look. Got 5s here, so I'll do a 5. Right, so that's £8. That's 8. Put that there and roll again. Oh, I think I better do it again. That's better. So that's 2 5s. Oops, sorry, that was 2 5s. Let's do 2 5s. That's 10. It's lovely. So that's done. Numbers were good for this one this week. And then we have the roll the dice, double the savings. I really like this one. I'm going to use the green today for that one. I've decided if I get less than 6, I'm going to roll the dice twice, because I usually roll it once. But if I've decided now, if I get less than 6, I'm going to roll it twice. If I get 6, then it'll be double £12, but if I get it lower than that, I'm going to roll it twice. Start building up some coins for that. That's 1, and that's 5. So 1 double, that's £2, and 5 is 10, so that's £12, and that's a good amount to stuff in there. Goes into the roll the dice pouch. Better. And now I have this one. Got my January one that I want to quickly finish off because I'm going to get started on the February one. I'm going to put 15 in here. And each of them are £5. So if I just colour in the 3 centres, then I'll know that I'm just colouring the rest off camera. And I'm going to leave my Save 2023 until I finish the rest of them. So whatever I've got balance is going to go into here. And the little calf, I'm going to put £10 in for the little calf. Might have to do some change. Let's have a look. Right, so I'm putting £10 in for the little calf, and she's coloured in yellow. And my 52 week, I decided to put £10 in this one. And that is that. Let me see what I've got left over for my 20 to 23. I'm not going to use the rollover. 20, 30, 35 I've got, and I have a 35 here. I'll colour that. 35. That was a lovely stuffing. I enjoyed that. And what have I got for rollover? I got 2, 4, 6, 8, £15. I spent £5 out of that. Not bad. And that's that for this week. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.